New Year is coming, and many of you may buy a TV. I bought a TV recently from LG. The model number is LG QNET 8055 inch 4K TV. Now, LG uses their own software called WebOS on their TVs, and you can find most of the popular apps on there, but it's not as vast as the Play Store on the Android TVs, specifically if you want to run Kodi. Now, why am I talking about Kodi? See, Kodi is an app which lets you add video streams on it. And it's very important for the method we're going to use today because Kodi lets you install an add-on of Jio TV to stream all cable channels. So yes, Jio TV on LG TV. For this method, you now have two choices. Either you buy an Android TV stick like Fire TV stick, MI TV sticks, etc. available to purchase online. Luckily for me, I had a Raspberry Pi 3P Plus available for this project, so I used that. Now, it's fairly easy to install LibreELEC on Raspberry Pi. You just need to have an SD card. I'm using a 32 GB. However, you can choose to go with a lower capacity like 16 GB, which costs around just 300 rupees. You can pick any brand of your liking. To begin, go on Google and search LibreELEC. You will come across their website link and click on Downloads. The download page will open and it will give you the option to choose Raspberry Pi as your device. Now, before opening that page, you need to first download LibreELEC USB SD Creator to make your SD card bootable for the OS. The LibreELEC only works with a Windows computer, but you can use Balena Etcher on Apple computers to work it same way. You can download and save it anywhere you like. Now, click on Raspberry Pi and it will give you options for the different model. Mine is 3B plus, so I downloaded this one. After downloading the file, you need to open LibreELEC USB SD Creator as an administrator by right-clicking on your mouse. Once opened, select the IMG file that we have downloaded, connect your SD card with your PC or laptop, and click on Write. The software will format the card and begin to write the LibreELEC OS on it. Once completed, take out the SD card and put it in your Raspberry Pi. Now connect your Raspberry Pi with your LG TV. It will take some time for initial setup, so let it complete all the steps, which should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once completed, you will be greeted with the installation process. Just simply follow the instructions and set up Wi-Fi with the help of a mouse or keyboard. You can skip to set up SSH and Samba if you don't want to access Raspberry Pi from your computer. This completes the first part of the process. The second part is fairly easy. Open up the setting page on Kodi and click on File Manager. Over there, click on Add Source and click again on the source selection. Now you need to add the following URL in the exact order which I've mentioned below the screen. Once you add the source, just give it a name. I'm giving it Jio TV. Once finished, go back to the settings section and now click on Add-ons. Click on Add from zip file. Open it. Click on Jio TV to install. Now it will take a minute to install from the source. Now go back again. Click on Add from the repository. Here, you will now find 2BLN repository and click it. And then click on Video Add-on and finally click on Jio TV. Wait for again a minute or so and that's it. The Jio TV app has been installed in Kodi. The last part is to set up Jio TV. Come back to Kodi home area, click on add-on. Now don't open Jio TV. Instead, do a long press on it and click on information setting. The first thing you need to do is to click on Simple PVR TV, which will help you to display channels in an easy way along with the program schedules. Then go to login and put your Jio number. Click on keyboard and go with either the option OTP or password. For the time being, you can use OTP. However, password is required only one time, unlike OTP, which will be needed every time you log in. After adding your Jio number details, let it work its magic. Now, it's important that you have an active internet connection for Kodi to set up the channels. Come back to home page, check the section of TV. If you don't have any programs, then restart your Kodi by clicking the shutdown button. Okay, we have now restarted Kodi and it will begin to retrieve program information and schedule. And voila, you have your channels in this TV section. Now enjoy cables on your LG TV without paying any money to DGS services. You may choose to buy Jio Fiber, which comes with Jio TV box, which has native access to cable channels. If you still don't see any channels on the TV section, then I'll tell you the solution for it. Go to add-ons, then click on install from repository, then click on LibreElec add-ons. After clicking on it, you need to search for PVR clients. Once you click on it, you will see a section of IPTV Simple Client. If you don't see a tick mark next to it, that means it's not been added. So the easy way is to simply click it and click to install. Or if it's not been installed, just click on the versions and it should restart the process of adding it. It seems to work fairly easy for all of the devices, but it doesn't work. Try it again by rebooting. So I hope this solves the problem that you may have come across while setting up TV channels on the TV section on Kodi. The most important part of this build is that you can use LG Magic Remote with TV without any extra efforts. And I've only seen it successfully working on LibreElec. I tried using Barosera, Recalbox, and RetroPie. However, this is the simplest and the easiest way to connect LG Magic Remote with Kodi on Raspberry Pi. So I hope you liked this video. Please do give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I have many useful content planned ahead. Till then, ciao.